Electrical discharge machines (EDM). It is also known as spark over initiated discharge machine, spark arresting machining, or simple spark machining. It is probably the most versatile of all electrical machining methods. Mechanics of material removal, melting, and evaporation aided by cavitations. This process may be used for machining any material, irrespective of its hardness, which is an electrical discharge. Electrical conductor. Electrical discharge is the rate of removal of metal and resulting surface finish can be controlled by proper variation in the energy and the duration of spark discharge. A liquid dielectric like paraffin or some light oil like transformer oil or kerosene oil is always used in the process. Current rectifier control, servo control, power supply, movable electrode, workpiece, dielectric fluid tank. Schematic diagram of electric discharge machining. Next one is a EDM of machines, rectifier, power supply, current control, servo control, movable electrode, tank, workpiece, dielectric. A warm electrode, spark, melted workpiece. Electron beam machining. Electron beam machining is a thermal process where a stream of high-speed electron impinges on the work surface so that the kinetic energy of electron is transferred to work producing intense heating. Depending upon the intensity of heating, the workpiece can melt and vaporize. The process of heating by electron beam is used for annealing, welding, or material removal. It is a process of machining material with the use of high velocity beam of electrons. The workpiece is held in a vacuum chamber and the electron beam focused onto it magnetically. As the electrons strike workpiece, their kinetic energy is converted into heat. This concentrated heat raises the temperature of workpiece material and evaporates a small amount of it, resulting in removal of metal from the workpiece. The reason for using vacuum chamber is that otherwise the beam's electron will collide with gas molecule and will scatter. These are images of electron stream machines. Optical viewing systems, valve, electron stream, magnetic lens, deflections, coil, workpiece, work table, vacuum chamber, viewing port. Next one is a laser beam machining. Laser beam machining uses the light energy from a laser devices the material removed by vaporization. The laser is then used of phenomena of amplification of light by simulated emission or radiations. The laser is an optical transducer that converts the electrical energy into highly coherent light beam. The energy of coherent light beam is considered not only for optically but also in laser beam machining. The set of consists of a stimulating a light sources like flash lamp and a laser rod. The light radiated from the flash lamp is focused onto the laser rod, from where it reflected and accelerated in the path. This light is emitted in the form of slightly divergent beam. A lens is incorporated suitably in the path of this beam of light, which converges and focuses the light beam onto the workpiece to be machined. This concentration of laser beam on the workpiece melts the work material and vaporizes it. It is very costly method and can be employed only when it is feasible to machine workpiece through other methods.